Hi friends! Welcome to Guess the Character. Today we're playing a fun guessing game with superheroes. Look closely, think carefully, and let's see if you can guess who it is. Are you ready? Let's go! Here's our first character. This superhero wears a red and blue suit and can shoot webs. Who do you think it is? It's Spider-Man! Great job! Next one. This hero is very strong and turns green when angry. Who is it? It's the Hulk! Can you guess this superhero? He wears a red and gold suit and can fly! It's Iron Man! Here comes another hero. She is brave, strong, and wears a red, blue, and gold suit. Who is she? It's Captain Marvel! Listen carefully. This hero uses a shield and loves helping others. Who could it be? It's Captain America! Next character. This hero is very smart and fights using martial arts. Who is it? It's Black Widow! Can you guess this one? He has a hammer and controls thunder! It's Thor! Here's another hero! She wears a black suit and loves protecting her home. Who could it be? It's Black Panther. Almost there! This hero can shrink really small or grow big. Who is it? It's Ant-Man. Last one. This hero uses magic and a red cloak. Who do you think it is? It's Doctor Strange. Awesome job, superheroes! You guessed so many characters today! If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more guessing games and learning fun!